2009 Vindicator Sprint Kit Car. It's a 2-litre Ford Pinto engine on the Type 9 5-speed gearbox. Decent size history file with this one as well. But I'm going to start off the bonnet, work our way around this Vindicator onto the interior, and then we'll fire it into life. Up the bonnet itself, all nice and straight, all fiberglass. There's a few light surface scratches here and there where it's been washed over the years. And a little bit of a stone chip crack in the paint there, and there is some scratches which you can't see. Good polish would make that, square that away, I'd like to think. Windscreen mouldings there are all okay. A little wind deflectors there are all okay. A little bit of crazing on the side there. As you come down the left hand side of the bonnet, nice and straight, no heavy crazing at all to the nose good. A little scratch there on the corner, but no big cracks or crazing at all to the nose cone, all nice and straight. Headlights are nice and clear. As we come round onto the right hand side, got some Team Dynamics on there. A little bit of cracking to the arch where the screws through, which is pretty standard on those. I've seen that on Caterhams and Westfields as well. Nice and tidy up the right hand side of the bonnet, like I say, no heavy crazings. A few little stone chips here and some light scratches, but that's all. Down the right hand side, it's all okay. There's a few little scuffs on the back edge of the bonnet there. You can see them, one or two slightly heavier scratches. Down the right hand side of the tub's all nice and tidy. With a little spider's web there, just by the rollover bar. Lower half of the rear quarter, no stone chips, one or two little scratches, but that's all again to complain about. Nice and tidy down the back edge there and on the corners. Got a bit of a scratch here, 3 scratches there on the right hand side rear quarter. A little bit of a chip out of the fiberglass as well, but no crazy again on the corners where they normally go. A little bit of a mark on the bottom there just underneath the sticker. Rear lights are nice and clear all the way across the back end there onto the left hand side corner again, all nice and tidy on the corner. Your little luggage compartment itself all good as well. No cracking around the hinges, which is nice to see. I've got a tiny little scratch there, and again some more scratches around the fuel cap. Again, a good polish would square those away, but no heavy crazing once again in all the important places. Fiberglass seems to be a nice order all the way around this one. Around the arch, a few little touch-ins at the back there on the left hand side, and again all nice and straight around the rear arch. Coming down the tub itself, it's all good, no heavy scratching, no crazing or cracking against the fiberglass, all nice and tidy down that left hand side. And onto the front wheel arch where you'll find again a little bit of cracking around the fixing screws, but that's all we need to complain about. Overall, fiberglass seems to be nice and strong and tidy on this one. Interior wise, you've got the 2 leather buckets, they're nice and clean and tidy as well, no rips or tears at all to those. You've got your flat bottom steering wheel with your motorbike rev counter, quick release boss on there, rev counter and speedo. Like I say, it's a Type 9 5-speed. Dashboard is done in vinyl as well, all nice and tidy across there. And again, passenger side, all nice and straight on the seat, nice and comfy. Wide bodied fit as we call them as well. We'll have a look inside the storage compartment. Plenty of space in there for the shopping. James is going to jump in and fire the 2-litre Pinto into life. Got some heat wrap on the manifold there as well. No complaints with that. Firing straight into life there. I do like a Pinto, they're nice and revvy. Tipping over nice and happy. There you have it, the 2009 Vindicator Sprint 2-litre Pinto, Type 9 gearbox. Ready for some summer fun, that one.